Congratulations, you've decided React wasn't confusing enough. Welcome to Next.js, the framework that makes your single-page app feel like a full-stack identity crisis. Allow me to explain what Next.js is in the same amount of time that it takes the JavaScript ecosystem to release 3 new frameworks. Next.js is React, but with training wheels, and also rocket boosters. It gives you server-side rendering, static site generation, and hydration, whatever that means, all in one neat package you'll never fully understand. It's like React went to camp and came back saying it's full stack now. It's not a phase, mom. Need routing? Just make a folder. Need an API? Also a folder. Need hope? That's not included, but you can install it with npm. You can self-host it, but let's be honest, you'll probably deploy on Vercel because it's the only option that doesn't make you cry. But when you do, you'll complain about vendor lock-in, even though there are about 12 other hosting sites with one-click deployments for Next.js with full feature support. And when it actually works, you'll feel something you haven't felt since jQuery. Joy. But wait, there's more. Server components, edge functions, middleware, each one promising to simplify your app by adding 3 new layers of complexity. You'll read the docs, watch a tutorial or 2, and still end up console logging your way through life. So that's Next.js. It's fast, modern, and just confusing enough to keep you employed. Next.js, because React developers deserve both power and pain. Like and subscribe.